Changing the appearance of a graph, Chapter 3, Lesson 6. If we look at graph 2, and we wanted to determine the first, second, and third place cheese, for first place we could tell it's cheddar. But for second and third, it would be hard to tell if it was Gouda or Brie. In graph 1, we can definitely see that cheddar is first, Brie is second, and Gouda is third. We can see this easier because if you notice between 0 and 9:45, we've added a little squiggly line to our graph. This squiggly line means that you are allowed to skip a few numbers. So we are skipping from 0 to 945, and then our scale will only go up by 5s. So that way we can see which bar graph is taller. In our graph 2, because our scale starts at 0 and increases by 100 each time, all our numbers are between 900 and 1000. And therefore the graph is harder to read in graph 2 than in graph 1. So our big question is, how does changing the scale of a graph change its appearance? We can insert a squiggly symbol, skip a few symbol, to our graph in order to better read our graph, as you can see in graph 1 on the previous slide. And even though the information is the same, the graphs look different because we change the scales in both graphs. Thank you for listening.